Python is the top choice for machine learning, but it's not the only option. Today, we'll look at some other programming languages that could be useful in your AI project. R is excellent for data analysis and statistical modeling. Its packages like Class and GModels make it a solid choice for machine learning, especially when visualizing data. However, R struggles with large datasets. It's slower compared to Python, making it less efficient for big projects. Scala. If you're working with big data, Scala is your friend. It pairs well with tools like Hadoop and Spark, making it ideal for processing massive datasets. While Scala is great for big data, it has fewer machine learning resources compared to Python. Julia is designed for high-performance numerical computation. It's easy to learn for Python users and integrates well with deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow. However, Julia lacks extensive libraries and community support, limiting its potential compared to Python. Java is a reliable option for scaling machine learning projects, particularly in deep learning and natural language processing. But for statistical visualization, Java isn't as strong as Python. Each language has its strengths. For stats, Scala for big data, Julia for computation, and Java for scaling. But Python remains the most versatile and supported for machine learning projects. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tech insights.